Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use Secure DNS in Google Chrome? Chrome has a feature called Use Secure DNS. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the Secure DNS settings and choose a DNS provider on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Use Secure DNS. The Secure DNS settings will appear. Here, you can turn Secure DNS on or off. When Secure DNS is turned on, you can choose between two options. Use your current service provider. This uses your current DNS service provider. Or choose another provider. This lets you choose a different DNS provider. Choose the option you want to use. And that's how to use Secure DNS in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.